Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study Unit 4 Sports of our GK book. So let's begin. Bowlers of the world. In the game of cricket, fast bowlers have always been a threat to the batsmen of the opposite teams. Match the great bowlers of all times with their countries. So students, we have the bowlers and the countries of all times. So we have to match them. So we'll be giving the numbers. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. That is Michael Holding. So Michael Holdings belongs to West Indies. So we're going to write here West Indies. Okay. Then next one is Imran Khan. Imran Khan is from Pakistan. So we are going to write here 2 in front of Pakistan. Then third one is Wasim Akram. Wasim Akram is also from Pakistan. So we are going to write here 3 like this. Okay. Then Wesley Hall. Wesley Hall is also from West Indies. So we are going to write here West Indies. Okay, like this. Then we have fifth one, that is Charlie Griffith. So Charlie Griffith is from West Indies. So we are going to write here 5 like this. Then we have Marve Hughes. Marve Hughes is from Australia. So we are going to write here Australia like this. Okay. Then we have Craig McDormand. So he is from Australia. He is also from Australia. So we are going to write here 7. Okay. Then we have eighth one, that is Curtly Ambrose. So he is from West Indies. So we are going to write here 8 like this. Okay. Then we have ninth one, that is Richard Headley. So he is from, yes students, he is from New Zealand. So we are going to write here ninth one. Okay. Then we have 10th one, that is Danny Marathon. So Danny Marathon is from New Zealand. So we are going to write here New Zealand like this. 10th one. Okay. So then another is 11th one is Kapil Dev. So everybody knows the Kapil Dev. He is from India. So we are going to write here India like this. Okay. Then Karasan Gharbi. So he is from New Zealand. So we are going to write here New Zealand like this. Then 13th one is Sylvester Clarke. So Sylvester Clarke is from West Indies. So we are going to write here West Indies. Okay. Then 14th one is Beyond Zoya. So he is from Sri Lanka. So we are going to write here Sri Lanka. That is 14th one like this. And then we have 15th one, that is Anil Kumble. So he is also from India. So we are going to write here India. That is 15th one. Okay. Then last one is Harold Lorwood. So he is from England. So we will be marking here England. Okay students. So this is how we have to match them now. We'll come to the another one. That is Bollywood. India turns out more motion pictures each year than any other countries in the world. Bollywood, the name given to the center of the Hindi film industry, is in Mumbai. India is a dream factory for a great many of them. So we have lots of films used to made in through Indian cinema, and that is almost about 13,000 cinema halls are there all over India, and we have the dance, songs in our Indian films. The first film was Raja Harishchandra. First film was Raja Harishchandra, and after that many more films were made, and the first legendary actor was Raj Kapoor. Jeena Yahan Marna Yahan was the song which was loved by everyone. We can see the image also. Okay, so students, this is what we have to learn. Okay, so now we'll come to the another one, that is Indian Musician, Unit 4, Entertainment. Indian musicians and singers have made a mark all over the world, and people flock to listen to them everywhere. Read the description and write their name. Take the help from the help box. So students, here are some of the description is given here, and here is the names are given. So we have to write them. So let's begin with the first one. That is, he composed the famous music of Mother India and Mughal-e-Azam, and completed the music score of Pakiza from Ghulam Muhammad's deaths. So who is he? He is Naushad. So we are going to write here Naushad, like this. Then second one is his music score for every first film won him a national award in 1992. He has won the Oscar for 2008. So he is none other than A.R. Rahman. Okay. Then third one, he was tabla maestro Zakir Husain's father. He composed film music under the name of A.R. Qureshi. So who is he? He is Ustad Allah Rakha. So we are going to write here Ustad Allah Rakha. Okay, then his fourth one, she has sung over 40,000 songs in 20 languages. She has also got Bharat Ratna. So she is none other than Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar. Okay? Okay, students? Now, fifth one, he is known as the Golden Voice of Assam. He got Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1993. He is renowned singer, lyricist and composer. So he is also none other than Bhupen Hazarika. Bhupen Hazarika. Okay, students? Now, next one. Sixth one. He started his music career in Kolkata. Before moving to Mumbai, he gave lovely scores of Sujata, Bandhani, Pyasa and many more. So he is none other than S.D. Burman. S.D. Burman. Okay, then seventh one. He is an icon of Hindustani classical music. He composed music for Satyajit Ray's Jalsar. So he is Ustad Vilayat Khan. Ustad Vilayat Khan. Okay, then eighth one. He is well-known Bengali Hindi singer and composer. He won National Award in 1987. So he is Hemant Kumar. Hemant Kumar. Okay. Then ninth one. He is a sarod player whom the world acknowledges. Yes, students, you guess it right. Guess is right. That is Amjad Ali Khan. Amjad Ali Khan. Okay. Then 10th one, he was an Indian filmmaker. His first film Patthar Panchali in 1955 won 11 international prizes including Best Human Documentary at the Cannes Film Festival. So he is Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray. Okay? Okay, students? So this is how we have come to the end of this part, and in the another part we will discuss